Aristotle had it right when he wrote, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Excellence, continued Aristotle, is an art won by training and habituation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but we rather have those because we have acted rightly. The Greek word phronesis means prudence or practical wisdom. That is, wisdom or intelligence that's relevant to practical action and implies both good judgment and excellence of character and habits. If we are in pursuit of a good and beautiful life, practical wisdom is one of the ancient virtues we should contemplate as we go about our business. We can take many actions to develop our own practical wisdom, such as learning critical thinking skills, refining our goals and core values, or expanding our intellect. And we should always strive to understand as much as possible the circumstances of a situation and our potential effect on it before making a decision. Thus, the key to increasing our practical wisdom is education. In many ways, the two ideas are synonymous if we accept the definition of education as being the process of facilitating the learning of knowledge, skills, values, morals, beliefs, habits, and personal development. My course for systems thinkers explores how to create habits of learning that foster practical wisdom in the people within our organizations to deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.